Here you have written xyz.c. You hit on Control F9. What will be your output? You will get xyz.obj file in C. But in Java, if you write xyz.java and you compile that, and you will get a file. You will get a file that is called as a class file. Here you will get a class file, or it is called as bytecode. Clear? Don't get confused. In C you will get a machine level language file, or you will get an object file which is not platform independent. In the same way, you write a hello world program in Java and you compile it, you will get something called as a bytecode. What is the exact thing that you use to inherit?
After the class name, you write the access specifier and the base class name.
You remember that scope resolution operator? Double goal kind of thing. That is called as scope resolution operator. Clear? Using the scope resolution operator, you will, that is one use. The second one is using the scope resolution operator, you will tell you are inheriting a class. Yes? Clear? Yes or no? The same way, you will use a keyword called as extends in Java to inherit some class, or to inherit a base class. Clear? That is the same example. You have class A and class B. How will you inherit the properties of class A to class B? You will tell class B extends C. Sorry, extends A. Clear? If I tell class B extends A, that means whatever is there inside, whatever is there in class A will be present in class B. Clear? Guys, can you just quickly copy the CD contents onto your console? Everybody done?
Pratik, how was the overall experience of the Android workshop?
Yeah, the experience was really good. I mean, we learned a lot of things that haven't been taught to us in our regular classes. Apart from the regular programming languages like C, C++, Java is something that's totally different. It uses a different interface as such, and there are a lot of other additional features. And since Android is a worldwide interface that every single person uses, it makes it really easy for us to code. And they've also introduced the Eclipse Indigo. It's an app basically that helps us, that combines different languages like XML and Java in one single interface and enables us to program different Android projects in a very easy and interactive way. So I guess it was a beautiful experience.
It was amazing. Obviously, I got to do something like this for the first time, and I really wanted to do this. So for me, the experience was really good. Really good. I enjoyed all my hours.
We really enjoyed ourselves. Got to learn a lot of new things.
Same here, we enjoyed a lot, and as well as
Workshop for me especially because I'm very new to this, it was very helpful. I got a basic idea of how Android apps are developed. I thought it was pretty good because I got a good clear idea. Now I know how to continue or how to learn by myself.
Learned a lot, and it was very interesting.
Yeah, it should have been spaced out, but
it was very interesting, and I learned more of Java XML thing, and I learned to make a simple calculator
It was amazing. I mean, the way he teaches is brilliant. I mean, I learned many Android projects but this guy is truly amazing.
Yeah, they were very comprehensive, they were very detailed, and they were neatly laid out in front of us. And it was, the logic aspect of it was very easy to understand. And the way they had explained it to us, it made things very simple. I mean, it was easy to comprehend.
Were the sessions comprehensive? Did you have difficulty in understanding?
No, he was
really good. He taught us well.
Simple, yeah. Once you get it,
No, it got us from a simple level to a high level, so we learned a lot.
So it was really good.
Yeah.
So I came here with no experience, nothing. I didn't know anything about either Java or Android because I just bought an Android phone a few days back. Before that, I didn't have an Android phone, and it was like I'm starting with a Spark and a scratch, and now I am able to do a
Yeah,
few
they were
things.
comprehensive and help was given whenever we needed it.
You had any problem with understanding concepts of Java and XML?
No, it was made very simple, so I
Yeah, I mean, we got the layout.
It was comprehensive, right?
yeah.
No problem with
Like,
understanding.
I never knew Java coding. Now I've learned Java coding as well as to make my
I came
own
to know
apps.
new things about programming. I did not know how the apps really work, but now I came to know how it really works.
So how do you think will it benefit you in the long run?
Most of us have a habit of playing all these Android games on the mobile, on the go, or while listening to music, and everything is Android based. So if you are able to create an app which will be helpful and beneficial to many other people, so that will be a proud moment for you as well as any person who creates an Android application. That's what is my personal opinion. So different people might have different opinions, but I think as a creator of an Android application,
Obviously, it will benefit me because everyone wants to create app these days, even me. So this is the starting platform for me. It set me a starting platform. So I'm really looking forward to work more.
You have kind of the apps any you want to develop?
Slightly.
Yeah, we have a few ideas.
As we had ideas of developing, but then when we saw the workshop, we were like, okay, we have to attend this and learn something so that we can
Yeah,
do
we
it.
already wanted to develop
Yeah.
one, and then this workshop helped.
It
So,
really
so would
helps
you
a lot.
share your ideas a little bit?
Not now.
You don't
Of course,
disclose it.
in the competition, we would try to bring it out.
It's not
Okay.
yet refined.
It's a far away idea.
It might make me ready for the further things which might come up in the next time, and as well I will be exposed to how programs are developed and I can make my own apps.
Do you think you'll ever in the future pick up Android app developing as your career?
I have no idea about that, but it looks quite nice.
Anything you learn will help you somewhere. So I think this is going to help me. Like Android is some hot topic which is going on, and you can develop anything.
Android is obviously a big thing now, so it will definitely help me in the future. So if I want to like learn something more or go deeper into the same
We
thing,
use
and that's
Android like every day and for everything. So more than benefit, I think it's kind of important to know what we're using and where it comes from. So yeah.
You use a Windows phone, right?
Yeah.
So now that you know about Android, what are your views about?
Maybe, I mean, I got the whole layout, how basically it works. I mean, the structure of everything, so maybe you can apply it in a different way. I don't know how Windows apps are made, so at least it'll be easier to understand.
Yeah, I'm sure it definitely will benefit me. I mean, the way he teaches really, I really understood Android and how Android works. So yeah, I think I'd be coming.
So you'll be developing programs now and
Yeah,
applications.
sure. I'll try my best and.
Would you participate in the app developing contest that we'll
Yeah,
have?
definitely I would. I mean, if it's so interactive and I've learned a lot of things, I would definitely want to put my skills to test.
Over a period of 1 month, I'll learn up to that level, then I'll definitely.
So you'll participate in the app developing contest?
Yes,
Yeah.
surely. Surely.
Okay, sure. I learn more and then participate.
So we'll be giving a month's time, so you'll be having
Yeah,
sufficient
within
time.
that time I'll try
as far as the Android app development contest is concerned, yeah, I mean, if I learn more, I'll definitely.
But, will you participate in the app developing contest that we'll organize?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I will. I mean, I'll give it my best and yeah, let's see what happens.
A thumbs up for iOS or Android?
I would definitely give a thumbs up for Android in terms of development compatibility,
Okay.
and whereas in terms of class and the way things have been all suited together, simplistic and beautiful, I would give it to iOS. It's a battle that rages on. I mean, you can't give a perfect this one decision as to Android is better, iOS is better. Both are different and both are amazing in their own class.
I am Abhijit Das.
I'm Amartya Basu.
We are from the second year of ISC, BMSc. Yeah.
We took this bonus of coordinating this Android workshop, and it really turned out to be good. We learned a lot of things that were unknown to us. We learned how Android as an open source can be so useful to develop apps. We learned about Java, XML codes and all. It was really benefiting.
What do you rate on a scale of 1 to 10 this workshop?
I'll give it a 9 straight 9.
Easily 9. 9 or 10 easily. On the teaching, it's excellent.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I mean, too good.
Yeah, we surely want that to happen. Like more Android workshops almost every month we plan to do. At least from LI2, we want more support so that we can hold an app contest, more people will come. So that's why we need like more support from.
This was a small initiation. We just started up with the workshops now with a small group of 30. We are hoping that more people will be coming in for
More
the
people
workshop.
from other branches also will be
Yeah, we'll be
interested, but
making-
they don't know how to start also.
Yeah, we'll be making it
platform
interdisciplinary.
Which is the next step you're going to take to ensure that whatever the students have learned right now will help them later on?
Starting off, we might ask them to build an app, simple app, then maybe go on to enter app contests from other colleges.
There will be incentives so that there will be crash prize and all. So you'll get fine sponsors and all.
More than cash prize, all that, it will benefit them in placement cost.
Yeah, it will boost their resumes. Like if you developed an app which has helped the society at large, it will definitely help in boosting up the resume later. So, but at the end, Radhika ma'am, Sheila ma'am helped us a lot. Even your involvement wholeheartedly. Thanks a lot for that.
Good. Thank you.